Okay, I feel like I just made the best decision of this week. That I came to the hike and look at it and listen to the sound of the birds and the sound of the water. Oh, that's so peaceful. I think it's because it was raining yesterday, so there's a lot of water to offer. Yeah, no doubt. I'm so glad I made this decision. Now I feel kind of like a confirmation that I'm supposed to be back in Kyoto. Listen, it's so peaceful. Oh my god. I love Kyoto. So pretty. The best decision ever. Hike. I see nature. Can you hear the birds? Sound of birds. So nice. The best thing is the water. And this is also, I got it Forever 21. Forever 21, Forever 21. Best decision. Hiking. Alright, if the weather is good, I think I'm gonna want to do this like every single morning to get myself some energy. It just feels so good. I can see that I'm happier. I look happier and I feel happier. Is that crazy? Just being in nature. Definitely good for my mental health.